In this video, what we're going to look at, you see the title, cost volume analysis, but if you look at the data down below here, what we're really talking about is, hey, I've got two places I can ship from. And if you look at A, lower cost versus B, which is higher cost, but A also, while it's lower cost, has a higher variable cost. And so we get this question all the time of, when should I ship from A up to what point and then cross over and start shipping from B? So what's that crossover point so I can ship most effectively to the customer? Now, this is a very simplistic example here, but let's look at total cost first. It's the fixed cost, so let's do it for A real quick. 3 million plus the variable cost. We're going to do $500 a unit times 50,000 units. So I'm just doing my calculator here. That's 25 million. So the total cost for A can go up to 28 million when I add those two up. And if I do the same for B, I've got 9 million plus $200 a unit times 50,000 a unit. So that's $10 million. Okay. So those are the total costs. You think you would ship everything out of B, but A, we don't know what the volume is, but B, up to a certain point, A is still cheaper because of lower fixed costs, even though variable costs are higher. At some point, it'll still be cheaper to start out with location A. So the question is, when's that crossover point? So the formula is down here at the bottom. It's the fixed costs of B. Okay. So if we look at the fixed costs of B, see if I've got this right here for a second. So, yep, I got it right. So it's the fixed costs of B, which is 9 million, minus the fixed costs of A, which is 3 million. So it's $6 million more, divided by the variable cost of A, 500 minus the variable of B, 200. So that's 300. So if we take 6 million and divide by $300, then we're going to get 20,000 units as our crossover point. So from 0 to 20,000 units, we're going to ship out of location A. And then once we get over 20,000 units, we're going to ship using location B.